Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another simple tutorial video here. And in this video I'm going to show you how you can easily change your Facebook password. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Facebook profile and now select those straight three lines on top of your right screen. And now you can see on bottom settings and privacy, expanded option, and select settings. And here on top you can see Meta Account Center. Select see more in Account Center, and here you can see password and security. Click that option and you can see the option change password. Click that option again and click the profile. And now all you have to do with that is to give the current password on top. All you have to do is give the current password on top. And after giving the current password, select give the new password and retype the new password and select click this change password option. And after giving that, you can see the password is changed and your new password is on current, and your new password is on set to your Facebook profile. So in this way you can easily change your Facebook password. So this is the video, and I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next video.